How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we're gonna do a hand grip workout. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. So the amount of tension we're going to be using, the hand gripper that we're gonna be using today is going to be the 200. So we're gonna do 200s today. We're not gonna do the normal method, which is just going like this. We're gonna be doing the reverse method. This reverse method is very good. It trains a different type of hand grip strength. It's a lot different than this. So again, it's reverse. It will help you develop your hand grip. It is a lot harder to do it in reverse. So we're only gonna do 3 reps. Video is gonna be a little over 5 minutes. So we'll get in a solid 15 repetitions. I know 3 reps doesn't seem like much, but again, this is a much harder exercise to do. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Again, you have to kind of, if you guys noticed me adjusting it each time, it does slip out of your hand when you're doing it like this. So you kind of have to readjust it each time. Sometimes you don't, but I've noticed it does sometimes slip out of your hands. But yeah, 5th video of the day, you guys. I'm just killing it with the uploads today. One more video, then I'm gonna take a break. It's already 8 o'clock, you guys. I had some personal stuff to do during the day. Time I got that done with, started making videos at 6:45. I'm actually doing really good. It's just a little over an hour and I've made 5 videos already. An hour and 15 minutes, so not too bad. One more video, then I'm gonna take a break. Might come back a little bit later and do, if I do it later, it'll probably be like 10 o'clock. So I don't mind making videos late like that, but I don't normally do that. So we'll see. So again, you wanna get it like this and then just squeeze 1, 2, 3, just like that. I could probably do 5 reps, but I just wanna keep it at 3. And again, this reverse grip, I don't normally train. I usually just do standard like this, like normal, but doing it in reverse is very good. It trains a different type of strength and just a different variation. So very good to try out, my friends. But yeah, 5th video of the day. I'm killing it. I'd like to make 9 videos. That would make me feel good if I got 9 videos done for the day. But that means doing an extra hour, and it's already pretty late. I got a pimple on my forearm. What the hell? Yeah. Let's do another 3 reps. Just like that. 1, 2, 3. Easy peasy. Yeah. I have started my diet as well too. So that's been going pretty good. I'm on day 2. I started it yesterday. Yeah, I started yesterday. So 2nd day, I'm killing it. I got a good meal plan set up. Nice and easy, nothing too hard I gotta cook. Actually, there's no cooking. It's like the one thing I have to do is microwave 1 item and that's it. So it's super easy. I'm a big believer in making your meals as simple as possible. So you don't have to spend a lot of time cooking, you don't a lot of time preparing it. Don't have to do all this crazy meal prep stuff. I used to do that. It took me like 3-4 hours on a Sunday to do. I hated doing that. Now it's just easy peasy, super easy. I'll tell you guys some of the foods in a bit. So another 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, I can do 5. I can do 5 pretty easy, but there's a lot we keep it at 3 reps. So some of the foods that I am eating, I'll tell you guys right now. My breakfast is a high protein boost shake. So you can buy them, again, they're just a shake and they have about 20 grams of protein. And then I have a croissant as well. A little bit of bread, nothing wrong with that. And that gives me around 500 calories for the day and around 25 grams of protein. There's about 5 grams of protein in the croissant. During the day, I don't eat much. I don't have lunch. I'll have 2 Vector protein bars. When I come home, I will have my first dinner of the day, if you will. I'll have a frozen dinner, which is super, super healthy. Very, very healthy. Has kale, brown rice, edamame beans, black beans, chicken, Very, very healthy, good in minerals, good in vitamins, all that fun stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I will have another 2 protein bars, different kind, different type, totally different, 20 grams of protein each. And then I will have hard-boiled eggs from a package, 4 of those, and then I am done. Super easy, super fast, and I'll have strawberries too. Yeah, end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Thank you.